What's really interesting about this is the same technologies can be applied to implementing and supporting part of your paperless factory strategy. And what I'm going to ask Elif to do now is show you a demonstration of how we can use the same capabilities to visualize and control your online rework. Over to you, Elif.
Hi, it's Elif again. As we've seen in the previous tool control demo, there was the ability to control tool behavior on the assembly line and also automatically identify vehicles on various areas of the line. We were able to assign the tool to work on a specific product model or a specific product zone. Additionally, some Ubisense customers are using our real-time location technology to control and simplify their inspection processes. They have moved away from their paper-based processes and are doing electronic inspection. So what you see here on my SmartSpace web browser-based user interface is the electronic stamping demonstration for quality and rework issues on the line. This means quality issues identified on a vehicle is captured in real time and digitally. So whenever one of these quality issues is registered, we are now able to visualize them on our map. Did you know that for car manufacturers, the cost of doing a repair for a quality issue at the end of line or offline departments is 3 to 5 times more expensive to fix a quality issue right on the moving assembly line? Let's zoom in on the vehicles for 1 minute and see what we have here. Since we are able to track all cars moving down the line, we can direct rework activities to particular points on the line and make sure that the operator is working on the right vehicle at the right time. We can use the real-time rework information to prioritize those rework activities. So, how does this display help us prioritize rework activities? Well, it shows on the vehicles what kind of issues they are in real time, moving with the car. Based on how our line is subdivided by processes, we know when exactly particular issues are no longer accessible, such as due to cover-ups after assembling further parts on the vehicles. Otherwise, if a quality issue has been covered up at one point of the line, it will have to go through the end of the line for fixing. Let's click on a rework issue to see some details. Our system tells us where those cover-up points occur. So, we see a countdown of issues on the line to the point where that particular issue is no longer addressable. If we click on a product, we can see the current active issues on the vehicle, whether other issues have been repaired or failed to be retained, so they will have to be addressed at the end of the line. And finally, we can get SmartSpace to summarize further statistics about the captured data. We can see total number of all issues by type and the total number of fixed for that type. The bar on the left side below shows what % of the issues we've fixed on the line in total. And the table right next to it shows all the different rework issues we've seen over a time period, which can be filtered by name, type, or repair status. Further functionality is easy to add into the user interface, such as a time period, like today, or this week, or this month, to limit the shown data on the tables and diagrams. Well, that's all from my side. See you at another demo. Bye-bye.